I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both SIM types so activation goes smoothly. First, insert the Nano SIM into the Pixel 7a tray. Once done, power on and open settings. Next, go to Network and Internet and tap SIMs to add an eSIM. Follow your carrier's QR or activation code. Make sure Wi-Fi is on during provisioning so the phone can download the eSIM profile. Finally, keep carrier login details handy, in case the activation requires authentication. Once both profiles are active, configure how they behave. You'll label lines for clarity, then set the default for mobile data under SIMs. If you enable automatic switching, the phone uses the best available network. For calls and texts, choose default behavior, but also set per contact preferences so specific people use the other line. Make sure roaming, APN, and VO LTE settings match carrier requirements. This avoids dropped calls and data issues when traveling or using different networks. You finish by testing every path. Place calls and send texts from each line, and confirm mobile data works on the selected SIM. To switch on the fly, open Quick Settings or choose the SIM when dialing. Once done, the change is immediate. If something fails, first toggle airplane mode and reboot. If that doesn't help, re-provision the eSIM from carrier settings or perform a network settings reset. This single troubleshooting tip solves most connectivity issues without factory resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.